new book called The Truth About September 11th claims to present evidence that the destruction of the World Trade Center was not the work of terrorists, but was in fact perpetrated by the U.S. government. With us, the much-maligned book's author, William Gerard.
Most of the mainstream media, they're just too afraid to even have me on, so thank you.
Also joining us is Omar Al-Farouk of Al-Qaeda. He's an outspoken critic of what he calls Gerard's 9/11 conspiracy theories.
Yes, Michael, I assure you that is all this book is complete nonsense.
Mr. Gerard, how did you arrive at the conclusions in your book? Where are the facts?
Well, through
here?
scientific examination of ground zero. For example, the melted core. I mean, that was definitely evidence that there were thermite bombs that were used in bringing down those buildings.
I can assure you, we did not use thermite bombs. I did the research myself. It would not have worked. We flew an enormous airplane into a building. Okay, I think it is obvious what caused the building to crumble.
Why are you being so close-minded to this, sir? If more
How
people
would you
just
like
had the
it
courage.
if you spent, 2 months in a mountain cave, sleeping on rocks, planning something really special, only to have someone take the credit away from you? Say, oh no, you don't deserve the credit for it.
Open up their minds and
Mr. Gerard, why in the world would the U.S. government want to stage this attack on their own soil?
Greed, of course. And to increase the oil revenues, the weapons industry, and security industry. And these are all things that Bush and puppet master Cheney, they've got their stakes in.
Bush's administration, they're a den of jackals. We certainly have common ground there. But what does not follow is why would they kill 3,000 of their own infidels?
Well, of course, because think about it. It was all part of their plan to build a case for the war in Iraq.
If he was so smart to plan all of this, why is his approval rating, in El Haman, and why is Osama bin Laden safe in somewhere?
Yes, the Iraq War has done serious damage to the Bush administration.
Here, look. I have names, phone numbers, everyone involved in this.
You've got to be kidding.
Okay?
Names and phone numbers.
I have here the voucher for the lessons, for the flight lessons.
This is obviously forged documents. Come on, did President Bush give you these himself?
I work for Bush. Me and Bush, we go out, we hang. He goes, hey, bring on the forgery. It is rubbish. Talking to you is like talking to a girl.
This is the kind of thing our government does.
Let Mr. Farouk of Al-Qaeda speak.
I have a suggestion for you. Why don't you go to the Washington Monument? Take the family. Let's say October 12th, 2009, around 3:04. Take a guided tour to the top and just wait there. I think you will see that Al-Qaeda is very good at organizing things.
Gentlemen, thank you. Coming up when we come back, the 2008 baby pandas are in. We'll have lots of footage of that.